everyone. Today we are discussing some questions from the arithmetic progression chapters. First, we need to understand the pattern of the question papers. For Karnataka State Board, 2 marks plus 4 marks questions. Sometimes they will ask a 2 marks 2 questions, 2 questions and 4 marks 1 questions. If they will ask a 2 marks 1 questions and in MCQ are 1 marks 1 questions and plus 1 4 marks question. This 4 marks question will be applied questions. Applied questions for 2 marks question will be direct questions based on the formula. There are 2 formulas for the 2 marks questions. First one, AN formula. AN is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. And second formula, Sn is equals to n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. For CBSE, they will ask in MCQ and 5 marks questions. This 5 marks questions will be very simple questions compared to the Karnataka State Board 4 marks questions. If they are not asking a 5 marks questions, then they will ask a directly 4 marks case study questions. This case study question will be simple question and direct questions. There is no any confusions. Just you need to understand the question and use the formula, direct formulas AN and SN. Based on that, we are able to answer the question. These questions are simple questions. Without referring the textbook also you are able to answer the questions. But basically from these chapters you need to know the formula and understand the question. Now today we are discussing some questions from these chapters. These questions are direct 2 marks questions and 1 applied questions. The first question, find the 25th term of an AP 3813. 25th term, they will ask a nth term means directly use the AN formula. In this case A is equals to 3 and D means difference between the consecutive terms. A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2. 8 minus 3 is equals to 5 and n is equals to 25. This is a given. Now AN formula, AN is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. A25 is equals to A value is 3 plus in the bracket 25 minus 1 into 5. 3 write as it is, 25 minus 1 is 24 into 5. 3 again write as it is, 24 into 5. 5 4s are 20 and 2 will be carry and 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 12, 120. Then 3 plus 120 is 123. A25 is equals to 123. 25th term of an AP is 123. Now move to the next one question. In this question, find the sum of first 20 terms of an AP. Sum, observe the keyword. See the keyword. If some word is there, directly use the SN formula without any thinking. Directly you can use without any confusions. Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In this question, a is equals to 2 and d is equals to 7 minus 2, 5, and n is equals to 20 is there. Yes, 20 is equals to 20 by 2 in the bracket 2 into 2 plus 20 minus 1, d value is 5 into 5. Now here 2 ones are 2 tens are 10, write as it is. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 20 minus 1 is 19, 19 into 5. 10 write as it is. 4 plus 19 into 5, 95. And after that 10 again write as it is. 4 plus 95 is 99. 10 into 99, 990. Yes, 20. Sum of first 20 terms is 990. This question will be asked a 2 marks question for Karnataka State Board. Move to the next question. The next question will be find the sum of first 10 terms of an AP. Here only the difference is n. Remaining things as it is. The first term 5 and common difference is 3. Again the sum word is there, no keyword. Directly use the Sn formula. Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a is equals to 5 and d is equals to 8 minus 5, that is equals to 3, and n is equals to 10. Yes, 10 is equals to 10 by 2, 10 by 2, 2 into 5, 2 into 5 plus 10 minus 1 into 3. 2 ones are 2 5s are 5, right as it is. 2 into 5 is a 10, 10 plus 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 into 3. Then 5 right as it is. 10 plus 9 into 3, 27. Then 5 right as it is. 10 plus 27 is 37. And after that you have to multiply the 37 and 5. 5 into 7, 35, 3 will be carry, and 5 3 is a 15, 15 plus 3, 18. 185 is the sum of first 10 terms. Sum of first terms, 10 terms. This also is very simple question. Now move to the next one question. The first next one question, find the sum of first 21 terms. Observe the keyword the sum. The sum means directly use the Sn formula. N is equals to 21 and the first term is a. Take the a is equals to 2 and d is equals to 7 minus 2, that is equals to 5, and n is equals to 21 is there. Use the formula Sn is equals to n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N value is a 21, 21 by 2 and 2 into 2 plus n is 21, 21 minus 1 into 5. If the odd number is there, do not simplify it. Directly you have to write it directly 21 by 2, write as it is. 2 into 2 is a 4 and 21 minus 1 is 20, 20 into 5. Then after that 21 by 2 in the bracket 20 into 5 is 100. 4 plus 100 is a 104. 21 by 2 in the bracket 104, and after that 2 ones are 2 5s are 2 2s are, that is equals to 21 into 52. Then that is equals to 21 into 52. 21 2s are 42, 42, 4 will be carry, and 21 5s are 105, 105, 105 plus 4, 109. The sum of first 21 terms of this AP is 1092. Now move to the next one question. This question will be applied questions. Applied questions for Karnataka State Board. They will ask 4 marks only. 4 marks only. For CBSE, they will ask 5 marks. Compared to the Karnataka State Board, the 5 marks question for CBSE will be easier than the Karnataka State Board. Just you have to read the questions. The ratio of 11th term and 8th term will be given, that is 3:2. Here you have to take a 8th term. The 11th term means directly you can write a plus 10d by a plus 8th term means a plus 7d, a plus 7d, that is equals to 3/2. Now a plus 10d write as it is, and 2 transfer to the left side and a plus 7d transfer to the right side, then you get a plus 10d into 2 that is equals to 3 into a plus 7d. And after that you have to multiply this 2 to this bracket. 2 into a is a 2a plus 2 into 10 is okay. 2 into a is 2a and 2 into 10 is 20d. 20d is equals to 3 into a is a 3a, 3 into 7 21d. And after that you have to transfer the 20d to this side and 3a transfer to this side. 2a minus 3a is equals to 21d minus 20d, then minus a is equals to d. After getting the d value or after getting the a value, just you have to put in the next equation. The first one, find the ratio of 8th term and the 9th term. 8th term means directly a plus 7d by a plus 8d is equals to. Now we are getting the d value. D is equals to minus a is there, and a plus 7 into minus a and divided by a plus 8 into minus a. Now that is equals to a, right as it is. 7 into a is minus 7a divided by 8 into minus a is minus 8a, that is equals to a minus 7a is a minus 6a by minus 7a. After that a get cancel each other and minus divided by minus is a plus. The ratio of 8th term and 9th term is 6 by 7 or 6:7. 8th term is to 9th term is equals to 6:7. This is one of the simple question. In that way they will ask questions for Karnataka State Board and CBSE for 5 marks. In the next video we are discussing the more questions from this chapters. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.